and the baby chicken. The baby chicken can't fly, but he can jump.
Mm-hmm.
He hopped on one of the eggs, but it was wiggling. That's how the baby. But the egg didn't hatch.
They're not ready yet?
The baby bird knows why the egg wiggles. It's trying to break, so she's trying to break it.
Mm-hmm.
But she's looking to see if there was no one gonna grab them.
She's watching her baby brother or baby sister.
Yep. If the baby bird can't fly, she jumps on one of the eggs, then she jumps on her, then she flies. When she flies away, the bird comes with her if she wants him to come with her.
Okay, so is that all then? Did you finish coloring the nest?
I did finish.
Okay, should we put it in the sleeve now?
Yep.
Okay.
And that's all for you.
Thank
it's
you.
A picture.
Yeah, and these ones are for your shirt.
Let me make a bird one because there's a duck and cat and dog.
Mm-hmm. Maybe you should make a pig next.
I don't know how to draw a pig.
Yeah, okay.
Here's the pen. Can you draw a pig for me?
You can try.
Can you do it? I can't do it.
Okay.
Grab the pen.